Hi friends, welcome to Best Banking Jobs. Now we are going to see about the probationary officer opening with ICICI Bank. It's an ICICI Manipal probationary officer program, postgraduate diploma in banking for sales and relationship management. It is an opportunity for the freshers and the graduates and postgraduates to get into ICICI Bank directly at the grade of deputy manager with 4.5 lakhs of package. Usually the freshers will be observed as an officer post. Okay, so you are going to two space elevator, officer, assistant manager, deputy manager, right? Almost even if you are if you even if you are joining as an officer and getting promoted for every 2 to 3 years, it will take 5 years, 5 years minimum, sorry, 5 years minimum to reach the deputy manager cadre. So instead, if you are getting into directly as a deputy manager cadre, it is very attractive. It's a very good thing. Only if the nature of job is suits you, I request you not to miss this opportunity, because getting into directly as a deputy manager, another 2 to 3 years you can become a manager and senior manager. You are getting into an escalator like that, right things. Now let's see about the program. It's an postgraduate diploma in banking program for sales and relationship manager management. Is an initiative of ICICI Bank in partnership with Manipal Global Education Services. The training program aims to attract young talent who wish to pursue a career in banking. It's a vocational training program designed to develop a pool of first level managers with banking knowledge and required skill set to perform their day-to-day activities. The role of joining the bank after successful completion or cross-selling, acquire new customers through field visits as a part of duty tasks assigned. Similarly, internship on the job periods will also involve these duties tasks as a part of learning process. 1 year full-time residential program conducted at ICICI Manipal Academy campus, Bangalore. The program will be conducted at the Bangalore and on-the-job training at any ICICI Bank branches. The program focused on relevant knowledges, develop deeds, sales, and relationship skills, and shaping record behaviors. If someone is looking for MBA, it's a good opportunity, because here the studies will be more practical thing. So with guaranteed job, it is not after the course. It is not there is no dilemma of whether you are getting the job or not. The offer letter will be issued prior to the conducting of the program. Training imparts knowledge and skills, banking products, process, systems, regulations, and compliance frameworks involved in a day-to-day operations. With more than 1,000 real-life case studies on service, sales, compliance themes, the course curriculum, the new curriculum greater emphasis on skills building, probationary officer, innovative end-to-end experience. It is about the real life cases you are going to be discussed on the training program, and it will be more interactive, more practical. On successful completion of the training program, students observed ICICI Bank as frontline sales and relationship manager. It's not an executive post, so please keep it in mind. It's not an executive post. It's an relationship managers in the grade of deputy manager band 1, in addition to being awarded the, and also you will be getting two benefit. One is deputy manager post with a high package, and number two is postgraduate diploma in banking from Manipal University. A monthly stipend will be also paid during your internship. More than 20,000 students have been associated. 18,000 students have since graduated from the program. Nearly 18,000 students have completed and joined ICICI Bank. See, you are going to attend it after that. The structure of the program is 4 months. It's a classroom training at IMA Bengaluru, and 2 months it is an internship at ICICI Bank. It will be like on-the-job training, and again 2 months it's a classroom training at IMA Bengaluru, and after that 4 months on-the-job training at ICICI Bank branches. See here, it consists of 12 months. It's only 6 months at the training, so almost 6 months at internship on the on-the-job training. So it will be very practical. Those who have completed graduation with 55% marks in any discipline, 55% is an eligibility criteria. Your age should be up to 27 years as on 1st August 2021. should have not born earlier to 1st August 1994. Please keep that in mind. Only shortlisted applicant will be invited for the selection process. The selection process of the probation officer: online aptitude test, online psychometric test, group discussion. Just a minute, it's getting load. Here also you can find the FNQ. You can find the answers for all your queries. And this is how the sample of exam is going to be. It is verbal, numerical, logical. These are the parts of the online exam, but definitely it will be easier than any other government exams. So please keep that in mind. Definitely it will be easier than the government exams. The selection process of ICSA Bank program, probation officer company, online aptitude, psychometric, group discussion, personal interview, and merit list. GD and PA personal interview will be concluded on the same day. Fees of the training program. The probation officer training program is a cashless bridge to managerial jobs for the aspiring students. To pursue the probation officer training program, the interested students will have to invest 3,77,700 loan amount of rupees, including the GST. The total loan amount is 3,88,500. They will provide you tablet, cover, and the SD card for you to pursue this course. The student have an option either availing an education loan from ICICI Bank or self-funding. That is, if you have your own money, you can pay yourself, no need to borrow. If you need an financial assistance, the ICICI Bank itself providing your loan. So you can avail a loan and study the course, join the job, and then later after joining the job you can EMI will start. So even since the package is very high, even if you deduct 1 year salary of yours, from the second year you will be getting benefit out of it. And also you don't forget that you are getting an award as a probation officer of sales and relations management. You will be getting the degree as well, which you can make use of it in the future course if you are moving to some other banks. And one more thing I want to reiterate is, after joining the bank, if you have been completed 2 to 3 years, you always have an option to look for, to join some other department. Let it be any other departments. You have an option, so make use of it. Don't look into only as a sales profile. So even if after you are getting into as a deputy manager, working there, being success, you are repaying your loan, and after 2 years you have an option to move to any other department. So make use of that as well, and make use of this as an entry opportunity. It's freshers, don't miss this opportunity. And how to register for this job? You have to get into icicicareers.com, and first you have to register yourself. Directly this video will not, you cannot get into this option. You have to register yourself. You have to upload your resume, input all your details. You would have to get your registered user ID and password. You have to get register your user ID and password. After that you have to get into, and then you have to see this channel and you have to apply here. Before getting directly into, you have to register yourself with ICICI, and then you have to click apply here and submit. You will receive a notification. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.